Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to see Vehicle Showroom Management System. This is a project developed by our team Parthenium Projects. Customization of the project is done by our team. The contact details are given in the description box. Vehicle Showroom Management System. This is a website developed to maintain the vehicles in a showroom. Here you can see the platform. Here you can see the list of vehicles, dealers, homepage, dealer, vehicles, account, order, contact details. First, I'm going to log in into the admin page. I have given the username and password. Click on login. Admin page. Here you can see welcome, dashboard. This is the dashboard. You can see it over here. Here you have number of admin record. You have 1. Number of customer record 8, number of dealer record 6, number of image records 207, number of sales records 7, number of showroom records 21, number of tax record 1, number of vehicle record 30 you have. And here you have the administrator account, different options you have. Next you have vehicles detail. Next dealer detail you have. So let us see one by one. First one is the dashboard. Next one is my profile. Under my profile you have admin name, username, password, confirm the password, contact details and enable and disable. If you want to disable this particular admin, you can give disable and click on register. If you want to enable them, again come back here and you can enable them. This is about profile. Next is changing the password. Changing the password, first login ID, then give your old password, click on your new password, confirm the password, click on change. The new password will be updated. Next one is view customer. Under view customer you can see the profile of the customer, contact details, account detail and action you can see. If you want to delete any of the customer, you can delete over here. Next is add dealer. If you want to add a dealer, you can add here. First give the company name, first name, last name, username, password, confirm the password, address, contact number, upload the dealer logo, then click on status as enabled, then submit. That particular dealer will be added. Next is view dealer. Here you can see all the dealers, logo, profile, contact details, created date and action you can see. Next is adding showroom. If you want to add showroom, you can add here. First dealer, select the dealer, then showroom name, choose the image of the showroom, contact number, address, city, state, pin code and click on enable. Then press submit. That particular showroom will be added. Next, viewing the showroom. Here you can view the showroom. Here you have showroom name, contact details of the showroom, status and action you have. If you want to edit, you can click on edit here. If you want to delete that particular showroom, you can delete it over here. Viewing the vehicles. Here you can view the vehicles. You can see the dealer, vehicle detail, vehicle cost and status you can see, image of the. Next one is vehicle order report you can see. Here you can see the ordered vehicle, order ID, vehicle detail, customer detail, showroom detail, vehicle cost, order status and action you can see. Next one is tax confirmation. Here you need to give the tax detail. Here you need to enter the tax percentage. Select enable. Click on submit. That particular tax details will be added over here. Next one is view tax configuration. You have tax detail, tax in percentage, status and if you want to delete, you can delete over here. Next one is logout under admin account. Next, you can see the vehicle list. Here you can view all the vehicles. Click on any of the vehicle, that particular vehicle and its details. You can see the image of the vehicle, description of the vehicle. You can see the price, type, model number and company. You can see it over here. If you want to order, click on order. This is about the vehicle list. You can click any of the vehicle and see. This is about the admin panel. I'll click on logout. I have come out of the admin panel. This is the basic home page. Next, I'll click on register. This is a new account. You need to give the first name, last name, address, city, pin code, country, state, email ID, password, gender, contact detail. Click on I have accepted the terms and condition. Click on register. New register is added successfully. Now I will log in into the account. Password. Click on login. Here you can see welcome Ashwini E. You have account, changing password, log out over here. You have home page. You have customer account. In customer account you have my account, my profile, change password, vehicle ordered report, log out. You have list of vehicle. You can see list of dealers. You can see. Let me show you one by one. My account. Here you can see my account. Welcome Ashwini E. Last login date and time. Account details. Your name, city, contact details, contact number, email ID, number of vehicle booked. You can see it over here. Next one is my profile. In my profile you can see all the details that you have entered during the registration. If you want to edit any of the details, you can edit it and submit. Next one is changing the password. This is your ID. Give your old password, give your new password, confirm your new password, click on change. The new password will be updated. Next is view ordered report. Here you can see all the vehicles that you have booked. Order ID, vehicle detail, customer detail, showroom detail, vehicle cost, order status and action you can see. Next is logout. Before logout, let me show you the vehicle list. If you click any of the vehicle list, you will get vehicle details, photos, details about the vehicle. If you want to order, click on order. Select the showroom, which showroom you want to order. So I'll select this particular showroom. So here you have buying vehicle. This is the customer detail. This is the vehicle detail. This is the order detail. If you want to add any comment, you can comment. Click on confirm order. Click on confirm your order. You can see it over here. Vehicle order sent successfully. This is my order ID. Your order ID is 27. So here you can see the vehicle order report. Order ID is 27. Detail about the vehicle, customer detail, showroom detail, vehicle cost, order status. You can see. This is how you order a vehicle using this particular website. Again, click on any of the vehicle. If you want to see the vehicle detail, you can see it over here. If you want to order, click on order, select showroom and place the order. This is how you place an order. This is about the vehicle showroom. I'll click on log out. So this is our home page. This is our vehicle showroom management system. In this particular platform, you can manage the order. The customer can register, log in into the website and he can choose whichever vehicle he want and then place a order. In the admin panel, we saw adding vehicles, adding showrooms, all these things we saw in the admin panel. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthenian Projects. If you like this video, please hit a like, comment, share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.